Hello, this is video instruction about Z-Pixel Transformer 2.0. The props are controlled by two equivalent buttons. In the video I will call them the first and the second button, but every button can be the first. Your props are in the storage mode. This mode is used for the transportation and storage of your prop with minimum current consumption. All functions are disabled except checking the battery level and exit from the storage mode. To exit the storage mode, go to the menu, press and hold the first button, and by clicking the second button, select the last item. White LED displays the selected option. So here it is, the last item. After releasing the first button, the props ready for playing the patterns. To run patterns, press once. The props start playing pre-installed modes. It changes by default every 10 seconds. To stay on one pattern, press and hold both buttons on more than 2 seconds. After blink, it will play continuously. To select the next pattern, press once. And to select the previous pattern, press and hold one button from 0.5 to 1.5 seconds. To turn it off, hold one button for more than 2 seconds. The battery level is displayed by default when you turn off your props, but you can disable it in the desktop application. Menu options. There are 7 different options on the menu. The first one is battery level, the second one is pre-installed groups of patterns, the third one is brightness, the fourth Wi-Fi activation, the fifth radio channel selection, the sixth ready to go mode, and the seventh it's storage mode. Enter the menu and check battery level. You need to hold and press first button, click the second button and release the first button. You will see the 5 green lights left only, needs to be charged soon. The second menu item is pre-installed groups. Go to the menu and select second options. Press and hold, click twice to the group menu, release first button, and you will see 11 groups on current version. It can be up to 15 groups and 900 pictures on the prop. For example, let's select the 7th group. When white LED is on the 7th group, press and hold one of the buttons for more than 2 seconds and you are in. The third option is brightness, and the first option is maximum brightness and the last one is the minimum brightness. I highly recommend to use minimum brightness of the patterns when you perform in dark places or in dark rooms. Because high brightness can be harmful for your eyes and eyes for the audience. So the fourth menu item, it's Wi-Fi radio connection, and it used to connect to the DMX-ARPANET protocol to connect to mobile app, which is under development at the moment. To exit from the Wi-Fi, you just press and hold one button. The fifth menu, it's selection the radio channel. There are total 9 different radio channels and 1 radio channel to turn off the radio at all. The 6th option is ready to go mode. The first LED is displayed with the red color. In this mode, props actively listening to the radio and waiting for the command to start at the proper time. Usually used for the synchronization before the show. In the programmable pixel show for the music, even milliseconds are so important. To start, just waiting for start and just one click and other props immediately start playing the pattern. The 7th option is storage mode. You cannot use any of button, just can check the battery level. It's first menu item and exit from the storage mode. Other items are disabled. USB interface. Programming, firmware update and charging the props possible with a micro USB cable. You can see the hole in the middle of the poly tube. Full charging takes up to 5 hours and programming possible with our desktop application for Windows or macOS. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will gladly answer it. Enjoy!